Imagine the scene. A new mother lying in the maternity ward bed, curtains depicting local landmarks drawn around her cubicle. Lying next to her, her newborn, day-old baby girl. The last 24 hours are surreal. Vivid images, emotions and situations are still swirling around her head. And more importantly, what is going to happen in the future? How is she going to be a good mother? When will that instruction book arrive that tells her how this new person works? Then a soft voice says, "Excuse me, do you mind if I check your baby's hearing?" A kindly lady puts her head around the curtain and starts to explain what she's going to do and why. But all that can be heard is, "Check your baby's hearing." Why? What's wrong with the hearing? Panic kicks in, hundreds of thoughts, future scenarios and events flash before the eyes. Then calm, rationale thought returns. Why? Having worked within the field of deafness for over 10 years, I was already planning to teach my new baby sign language. This early stage hearing test is a routine test to check the cochlear produces an echo by putting a soft ear probe into the outer part of the ear, which then clicks into the ear and records the echo. The test takes a couple of minutes and is given to all new babies, normally within the first 24 hours, whilst the mother and baby are still in hospital. The lady who tested my baby gave me a useful leaflet explaining all about the test and what would happen if the test came back negative, as many do. Particularly if the baby is moving around and too noisy, or if they're born by C-section, as fluid is more likely to be left in the ears and they need to dry out. The second test is offered a week or so later. If this still doesn't register, then a third test is offered. This is a longer test between 5 and 30 minutes and involves small headphones playing the clicks and 3 sensors on the baby's head and neck recording how the ears respond. I've heard mixed reviews about these early hearing tests, but I like the line in the leaflet which states early identification is important for child development and means that support and information can be provided to parents at an early stage. So as long as that support and information is balanced and wide-ranging, I'm all for it. As for the other matter, I'm still waiting for that instruction book to arrive.